I've been still acting pro. Pardon me, still acting the store. Pardon me, I've been still acting pro. Pardon me, still been in the store.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Melly for real, and I'm back with another video. And I got two beautiful guests right here, and they're gonna try the fruit challenge. Melly, what is this called? The nature fruit challenge. I wanted to try this challenge because it was trending on TikTok and YouTube. And we have two guests right here. They're gonna try the nature fruit challenge. So we get the crushed ice, we get mixed ice right here. We get the blueberries, we get the raspberries, blackberries, and we get the strawberries. So we're gonna put all in one bowl and have them try it. I never tried, they never tried. So this is the first time they're gonna try the nature cereal challenge. So we're gonna start off with the ice. We're gonna put ice in the bowl now. By the way, they didn't get to introduce themselves, so I'm gonna let them go one by one. So you go first.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Sadie's Bench back on the channel again. Y'all already know the deal. Make sure y'all go ahead to my channel and click that subscribe button. You heard me? Okay.
Okay, go Mama Dukes.
And Moms, hi guys. Going with the challenge today.
So we get ice. We can start with some ice. I don't know if it should be crushed or squared, but I mix like some cube ices with some square ices. So I'm gonna just put it in the bowl and they're gonna try it out. Who wanna go first? You or me?
I'll go first.
Yeah, you go first.
Woo, this is a challenge today.
Okay. It's normally I'm gonna cut the strawberries in half because it's like as big as you guys.
Let's go strawberry. Let's go strawberry. Let's go strawberry. Woo!
You like by yourself, man.
Y'all know some people. Mm-hmm.
My nigga.
You ready? You ready to taste it?
Yo, let me give you all a little story about Melly for real. Cooking is not for Melly. I mean, I telling you all straight facts. Jesus Christ. It's not for Melly. So I don't know how this challenge coming out, but hey, I get in the challenge, so now I gotta face the consequences, see if it's a good or bad. See?
Whoa!
Whole drum work, y'all over here.
I tried to teach him, but you know, you need a one-on-one.
So that's how it looks. That's how it looks. I'm pretty sure this look familiar to you guys on TikTok and YouTube. Everyone has tried it, so I say why not try it? You see how it look?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I can't know if you eat the stem though. I gotta cut off the stem piece. I ain't waiting on my downfall. Man.
No man, I waiting to taste this. Y'all, if this come out, I promise y'all this is the first thing Melly cook correct.
Cap.
Ain't even a cup. This just a mixture of fruits. Say you going on a what you call it? Say you going on a adventure or something, and you won't get cereal. You could just make this. Think about it. You could just make this instead of the regular cereal.
Remember, guys.
Be healthy. You get it now?
Yeah.
It's
So,
Water. It's fat free. So you guys can see. Fat free. Yeah. Use that. There you go.
so if you stuck in the jungle, well,
Not
maybe
the jungle, but like in the forest or something. If you going hunting or something, you can just freeze the ice
how low?
in one of them foam containers.
All right, let's get on with the challenge. Let's
Okay.
go.
So we get our spoons here. You take a spoon,
Thank you.
take this spoon. Now the spoon is for me. Okay, bad. Okay, as you guys can see, I pour up the first one. That's how it looks. That's how it looks. You know they never tried it before. It looks. How it look to you?
Like the dogs?
Okay.
Detox is for real. Some milk. This is a Coke.
Say your praise.
OMG. Can we add some sugar in it?
No sugar. The fruits is sugar. That's the thing. It's a healthy cereal. It's not that junk y'all is be eating.
No, guys, I didn't teach him this one, okay? That's on his own. There. Go on.
Alright, so we get the blueberries. Some blueberries. It looks good, right? It looks good. Pour up the coconut water. Ooh. And I forgot to shake it up too,
So what are you gonna do? Stir it around? Should I stir it around?
I'm gonna let them try it first. Even though I never tried it, but
Mommy, go first.
Oh boy, here we go.
you gotta taste the strawberry with it too.
And the
And the
first
ice.
attempt
Strawberry. Put all it
is... I'm trying to get everything in. I'm trying to get everything in. Trying to get everything in there.
The strawberry.
Okay, and here I come.
You won't get no ice. You won't get no ice. Yeah, put some ice in there.
Woo, guys, it's a detox, okay?
Go ahead, try it. Try
Oh,
it.
it tastes for me on the 10.
Try it, man.
On the 10, Mommy.
Boy, this thing is a 4.
Try it.
OMG.
Hold on.
Everyone said it's good though.
Hold on, let me taste, man.
Try with the ice too.
Yeah, I get the ice. Hold on. But you jamming and you said it's a 4?
Yeah, it probably tastes good because you said it's a 4.
Hold on, man. Okay, I get it.
Alright, it's your turn now.
Oh, Lord, don't kill me today. That's my speed.
Alright then. Alright, so
It's coming,
the
it's
chicken.
coming.
That's
One
my
more
speed.
bite.
I ain't gonna lie,
coming,
that's my
it's coming.
speed, yo. It ain't too sweet and it ain't too sour.
That's what I'm
I
talking about.
like it.
Ooh.
You pour this out. I guess you're all killing that, eh?
I like it.
Coconut water is good.
Out of 10, I could give this a 9.5. If they add some more fruits, I'll eat this every single day and every single hour.
Probably some pineapples would be good. Okay, it's my turn.
That bussin'. But hold on. My mommy just said it's a 4, but she eating every single bit of the bowl.
The plate is almost empty.
Man, y'all wait.
Coconut water is good.
That bussin' to me, I ain't gonna lie.
Go, it's my turn. Mine. Okay, I can still use this. I didn't shake it up, so the coconut water ain't gonna taste as good as it's supposed to taste. But you pour me up right now. Is your speed?
My speed for sure.
It's moving up the ladder. It's a 6 now.
And wait.
Who else want it?
Sam with it.
Ain't that bad, you know.
Cap on it now. Come on. Give me a score.
My
10.
first bite was like a 5.
I like it.
Not that bad. I mean, it's fruits. You can't go wrong with fruits, man. telling you, that thing tastes good.
I'm on my last two. Move up there.
Overall score to 10.
Like, I gotta take more bites to get over.
But you love no strawberries?
Yeah, that's why.
Alright, so you gotta add some strawberries in there.
You can't do like too big. That's like, you only get a good bite.
So just taste them what you had. Would you just taste them what you had? How much would you give
Like a
it?
5. Not too extra. But I'm gonna do a part 2 to this. And I'm gonna try pineapples and watermelon.
Oh yeah.
So you gotta be different sometimes.
But if it's a nature cereal, why don't I?
Hell no.
Too much flavor.
Y'all know that the be busting Nature Valley's coconut water, strawberries, blueberries,
That's
raspberry,
weird.
pineapples. Woo!
That's
Y'all
weird.
in for a treat.
Ice is chilling, man. The ice is chilling.
Telling you?
What the fuck, nigga?
Y'all can taste the coconut water too?
Yes, everything. That's why I say this bussin'. I tasting everything in mine.
Everything.
You see, instead of water, they put like coconut water.
Yeah.
So after, you know how people, okay, you see how people put the cereal in, then the milk?
Milk.
Then you eat the cereal, and after you eating the cereal, you drink the milk.
Yeah.
And after you eat the fruits, you can drink the coconut water.
And not
I'm
only,
thinking this is
yeah,
so
yeah,
smart.
yeah, they smart. That's smart.
That is genius.
You gotta get some of the strawberries in there.
Nature cereal. Shout out to you, my guy or my dude, whoever created this. You would
This is different. You gotta try this on at home.
Oh, definitely gotta try that.
Well, I'm done.
You gotta. It ain't a challenge if you only drink the coconut water.
Oh, you gotta drink the water too.
Okay.
Oh.
Since it's a challenge, let's put a time on it. Let's see who could drink all that coconut water in a space of 30 seconds.
No, you gotta finish. You want
Let me eat all my fruits because I up for this challenge, okay? Mommy, don't start yet.
This is chili.
Don't start.
Time off.
Ooh.
Mommy, you cheating, man. You cheated.
Time done.
You cheated.
First person, what?
30 seconds.
Not the fastest time, but reviews.
Someone gotta say who finished first.
Okay, I'll say who's finished first. I'll keep my eyes open.
No, mommy, you win the challenge.
Okay. What we can do? 30 minutes?
How about 30 seconds?
30 seconds?
Yes.
Or 10 seconds, eh?
10.
Okay, we can see who get the fastest time out of everyone. We go
Who
individual.
finished first?
No, we go individual.
Or with the fastest time?
Yeah.
So you gotta use.
No, let's just do it together.
Yes. We don't even need a timer.
Right. On
Let's
your
see the
mark.
first one who can finish.
Okay.
On your mark. Get
Hold on, let me
set.
get it. Okay.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Tripping, bro. You tripping.
Stop playing with that girl. She not one of them.
Guys, this is too chilly. I couldn't finish my coconut water.
Start.
Let us say,
Mine's
It
done.
was just too chilly.
been done.
So,
The winner was safe.
that's it for this banger. I don't know. That's it for this challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you can get notified every time I post. And make sure you drop a comment down below because I don't be seeing no comments like I said in my last video. Where's the comments? No. If you don't want to drop a comment, the simplest thing you have to do is drop a like on the video. Smash that like button. If you even love Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior, like the video. Without further ado, we out. Get